March 25th, 2023. Atlanta undercover cops spot a stolen silver Mercedes SUV with Florida plates. They call in State Patrol for backup. By the time a trooper gets into position on I-20, the Mercedes is already flying. The undercover officer radios he's losing sight of it.
We're signaling to go 20 eastbound. You should be a mile away on the number 1 lane, CSP number 1 lane, a mile away from MLK.
Clear.
The trooper sees the SUV come screaming around a curve, weaving through traffic. He lights up and gets behind it. The driver doesn't slow down. He's all over the road, shoulder to shoulder, cutting between cars, nearly causing wrecks.
It's clear, nobody stops on. Alright, staying on Humphreys, south of Humphreys, taking a left on Rockwell, or left on Rockwell.
Clear left on Rockwell.
Phoenix, whenever you get here, start calling.
Yeah, that's move up.
Taking a right on McDaniel again. Come on, car. Southbound McDaniel.
They exit onto city streets. The SUV blows through red lights, passes on the wrong side, doesn't stop for anything. The chase hits Metropolitan Parkway heading north. The Mercedes cuts through a parking lot, almost hits a pedestrian on the sidewalk. Traffic gets heavy near Gillette Avenue. The driver tries to pass on a double yellow to get around the cars ahead. That's when it all falls apart.
That should be hard business. Just trucking northbound.
Michael Smith, arrested for receiving stolen property, felony, fleeing, reckless driving, and charges related to the crash. February 5th, 2023. A state patrol trooper is sitting at a red light on the ramp from I-75/85 South to University Avenue. A black GMC Yukon blows right through the light in front of him. The trooper lights up to pull him over. The Yukon doesn't stop. They head south on I-75/85 and exit onto Cleveland Avenue going west. The Yukon turns left onto the ramp for I-75. North traffic's moving, and the driver's pushing it. He rear-ends a car on the ramp and keeps going for a second before slamming on the brakes. The Yukon stops, but not for long. The driver's Troy Sean Porter, 21, from Atlanta. Both he and the passenger get checked out at Grady Hospital. The passenger walks. No charges. Porter gets booked into Fulton County Jail. His charges: running the red light, failing to yield to emergency vehicles, felony fleeing, reckless driving, hit and run, and obstruction. Police also found a Glock 22 with a full auto switch, a damaged magazine, and 13 rounds ditched near the crash scene. October 28, 2022. Trooper Matthews is parked on Mockingbird Road running radar after complaints about a black sport bike tearing through the area every day. Around 7 p.m., he spots a motorcycle with a loud exhaust matching the description. The bike's riding too close to a car, then passes it in a no-passing zone.
Black motorcycle, no 28, wrong side of the road, blacked out. Toward Elmo, coming toward Elmo, notify Forsyth County. Clear to pass, clear to pass, clear to pass. Be coming up on Elmo Road here pretty quick. Stand by, going right on Elmo, right on Elmo. He almost 1050. Notify Dawson County, notify Dawson County. Still north on Elmo, gonna turn into Mount Tabor, gonna turn into Mount Tabor.
The bike speeds down Mockingbird Road on the wrong side, passing cars wherever he wants. They turn onto Elmo Road, then Westray Road. Matthews tries a channelization maneuver, basically boxing him in. It works. The bike slows almost to a stop, but the rider pulls an illegal U-turn onto the shoulder, nearly loses it, then guns it again, heading back south.
U-turn, U-turn. Going back southbound. All right, he's signaling. He's gonna stop. Stand by.
We're still signaling stop.
Get off of it. Get off. Get on the ground.
I got you.
Get on the ground.
Put the kickstand down. Put the kickstand
Put the
down.
kickstand down and get on your face.
All right, I got you. You got me, buddy.
On your face. On your face right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I don't care about your helmet. I don't care about your helmet. Get on your face. Get on your face. Right now. Hands out. Hands straight out. Behind your back. Do not move. You understand? Man, you crazy riding like that. What's wrong with you?
Y'all ain't supposed to chase me under 100 miles an hour. That's against the law. I seen it.
You know who you messing with?
I seen it.
Look at this, right? You know who you messing with?
You can't chase me over 100.
Yes,
still?
I can.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
I'll see in court.
What law is it, man?
It's on the computer on the Google. Georgia state law.
No, bud. You misinformed.
Charges: DUI drugs, felony fleeing, reckless driving, driving on a suspended license, no plate, no taillights, plus the warrants. Bike gets impounded. Value goes to Forsyth County Jail. October 12th, 2024. Bainbridge Public Safety tries to pull over a car for a tag frame violation, aggressive driving, and weaving. The driver's not stopping. He makes several sharp turns and nearly hits a patrol car. Officers call for State Patrol backup. Evans joins the chase as the second unit. The car is doing 120 miles per hour on GA 309, a narrow, curvy road with blind driveways. The driver's passing cars in no passing zones, in curves, on hills, wrong side of the road. None of the cars being passed have time to react. Evans knows this guy's going to kill someone if he doesn't stop him.
Pit. Milepost 1, copy. Milepost 1, roll over, go ahead and send EMS.
One clear on pit, roll over, sending EMS.
The man has a heartbeat, but appears to be choking or struggling to breathe. No eye movement, no body movement. They keep doing CPR until fire and EMS arrive. EMS pronounces him dead at the scene at 6:36 p.m. January 25th, 2023, just after midnight. A trooper sitting at a red light on Peachtree Road when a black Dodge Charger blows past him doing 68 in a 35. The trooper flips around, lights up, and gets behind the Charger at Bennett Street. For a second, it looks like the driver might stop. Then he hammers it.
Peachtree Road, Peachtree Memorial.
Two more troopers join the chase near Roswell Road. The Charger sideswipes a Chevy Suburban and keeps going. They spot him stopped in a parking plaza with his rear bumper hanging off. They move to surround him, The driver throws it in reverse, backs out, then jumps a curb through some bushes into another parking lot.
I'm gonna whip your fucking ass! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! I'm in the driver. You got the driver?
McNeil gets checked at the hospital. No injuries. Warrants are secured at Fulton County Jail. Charges: DUI, felony fleeing, reckless driving, hit and run, no insurance, weapons possession, plus his existing open cases.